Greetings again. I am back to introduce our second video observation series. We are going to meet another little boy in this video. His name is Jackson. And I think it's going to be fascinating for us to compare and contrast the two video observations because these two little boys are so different in their journey toward receiving cochlear implants and their outcomes and things like that too. So just a little backstory on Jackson. It is going to be very important that you read the introduction slides because he has a significant medical history. He received a heart transplant at 8.5 months of age. He did not have hearing loss at this time, but he acquired meningitis following that, and that is where his hearing loss has resulted from. Now, interesting, coincidental, he does have a first cousin who was born with profound sensorineural hearing loss, so the family knew about cochlear implants prior to them being a recommendation for Jackson. That's probably unlike a lot of families who go through a journey or a story similar to Jackson's. Jackson's half-brother also utilizes a BAHA for unilateral conductive hearing loss. So this family has a lot of experience in the world of hearing technology and intervention. I want you to watch in this video, similar to with Noah, I want you to watch with a keen eye on auditory verbal strategies or listening and spoken language strategies that you see used. Jackson in this video is almost 4 years old. So you're going to see a meld of strategies that have been introduced and coached on and grown over the years. So you might contrast in your mind how that looks different than when a strategy is first used in early listening and language development. The second thing I want you to watch for is the parent coaching dynamic. What parent coaching strategies do you notice? What do you see in the relationship between the clinician, which is me in this video, and Rachel, who is Jackson's mom? I want you to also watch for what are your predictions about the potential for listening and spoken language development for Jackson? Do you feel like his speech and language is on par with peers his age? Now, hint, you might look in the introduction slides to get a little insight into where his language development falls as far as standardized testing. I have so much more to share with you about Jackson, and I think he will quickly steal your heart as he has mine. Now, one caveat there, please know that by the time this video was recorded, I had known Jackson and been in a coaching relationship with his mom for several years. So it might seem like I'm kind of hard on him at times, but we are working on pragmatic strategies as well as behavior management very subtly and sometimes not so subtly in this session to prepare Jackson for the real world or what it's going to be like when he does enter a classroom and has to negotiate with his words, with his friends, and with his teachers. So you'll notice that, and it'll be apparent to you on things that we are working on in addition to speech and language goals. I look forward to seeing you. As last time, please answer the discussion questions and be thoughtful about that. So this pre-learning time can be a meaningful time. And then we will join each other together in the live session and be prepared to be an active participant there as well. Hope you have a great day.